Already coming at you with another video. Thought I'd show off some Python script here. Kind of a little bit of a throwback to when we would check password strength. I guess we still check password strength, but now a lot of people use single sign-on. But back in the day, people had to make their own username and password, and a lot of times those passwords had to be a certain amount of characters, uppercase, lowercase, include a number, and special characters. So I wrote out this Python script here, and we'll give it a test, see if it works. And I typed it out already. I like to do that beforehand, so I don't have to worry about that. You can just look at GitHub and copy and paste and give it a whirl for yourself. So let me go over this. We got this first line right here. We're importing RE, regex, regular expression. And so that's really nice for especially pattern matching. And we're going to do a lot of pattern matching here with looking for lowercase letters or uppercase letters. So we're going to use that. And then we're going to, right here, define our function. Our function is check password strength. And then we're going to pass in our password in the terminal. And right here, we're going to initialize the list to store all the missing criteria. So if we do have missing criteria, we're going to put it in a list. And I wrote out some different requirements using if and if not statements. So the first one has to do with the length of the password. So if the length of the password is less than 8 characters, we're going to append to our missing criteria list, password is too short, at least 8 characters required. And for this next one, checking for at least one lowercase letter, I switched it up and did if not statements. So it's if not true. So if it's not true that there is, if there's not a lowercase letter, then it will return password should contain at least one lowercase letter. I did the same thing for the uppercase letter. So if it's not true, then it's going to return this. And then looking at a digit for looking for a number. And then right here, it's checking for at least one special character by searching through the password and looking for those special characters. If one is not there, it's going to append password should contain at least one character. But if all of those criteria are met, at the end, we're going to return strong password meets all criteria. So if not, then it's going to return, that. Else it will return weak, and then it'll describe what the missing criteria is right here, what we appended. So if there's no digit, it'll say password should contain at least one digit, or if there's no uppercase letter, it'll say multiple ones right here. And to keep everything kind of tidy, I want to just run the script in a loop so that while this is true, while this is running, the password equals the input, and then just to exit this loop, to break it, all you have to do is just type in exit and press enter. And then at the end here, we're going to call this function, check password strength, and then we're going to print the result. So let's give it a shot here right in my terminal. I'm already in my directory where this file Python script is saved in. It's called just password. And let's see, we'll just type up twice, and we have Python 3 password checker.py, the name, and push enter. Okay, so let's enter a password. Let's say it's called, I don't know, bear 34. Okay, bear 34. I don't know, I just made it up. Okay, so here we are, it's too weak. The password, it's too short. Yep, it's got to be at least 8 characters. Password also needs to contain uppercase letter, and it needs to contain one special character. All right, let's do a different one. We'll do capital B E A R at 34, and let's see what that returns. Oh, so we were close that time, but right now our password, it's still too weak because we don't have enough characters. So let's make it longer. We'll do capital B, E, A, R, and then we'll do a hashtag, and then we'll go 3, 4, 5, 6. That should do the trick. Let's see. And it said strong, the password meets all the criteria. So again, and I can exit the loop by typing exit, and there we go. And so as you can see, there's just a really simple script to check passwords in Python, and you can modify it yourself for your own needs. And yeah, it's just really fun to kind of try these different projects and how they can be eventually implemented into a website to check those login information, checking that login information. All right, everybody, thank you for watching this video. It'd be cool, yeah, for you to just try it out yourself and just see the power of Python and how to check for strong or weak passwords. All right, see everybody later.